Welcome to Kidzu, come and play. We learn new things every day.
Stop saying very. Very tired. Exhausted. Very happy. Overjoyed. Very big. Gigantic. Very small. Tiny. Very hungry. Starving. Very cold. Freezing. Very hot. Scorching. Very good. Excellent. Very bad. Terrible. Very beautiful. Gorgeous. Very fast. Swift. Very slow. Sluggish. Very loud. Deafening. Bye-bye. Must follow us and subscribe for more videos.
For subscribe, join Kidzu for fun and success. Click that button, come along for stories, songs, and learning strong. Kidzu, here